My 2-minute conviction this week is contentment is not mediocrity. In the pop culture today, we are ingrained to think we've got to go further and faster and be better and to be bigger and to chase more, all of which is exciting and definitely part of a leader's paradigm. Healthy things grow, but not at the expense of contentment. Contentment is that inner place of feeling fulfillment and feeling satisfied and recognizing that all experiences, even the hard ones and the situations that fall short of your expectation, can carry meaningful experience for you. I think Teddy Roosevelt said that comparison is the enemy of joy. I think the same can be said. Comparison is the enemy of contentment. The Bible says we should learn how to be content when we have a lot and when we have little. And I've spent most of my career oscillating between the two, and I feel like I've had lots of opportunity to practice this idea of contentment. But contentment is not being average. It's not settling for mediocrity. Contentment is practicing the posture of learning from every experience and being grateful for it. So here are the 4 questions I ask to try and exercise contentment in my life, regardless of my circumstances. When I finish a project, finish a task, when I fall short of my expectations, this is what I would ask myself. Number 1, objectively, how well do I rate my performance on that? Number 2, what did I learn from that experience? Number 3, what would I do differently? And number 4, what am I really grateful for from that experience? Those 4 things lead me into reflection that builds contentment. I can still have hope for more and different and better in the future, but not at the risk of contentment. Have a great week as you think about that one.